start.
Hello, I'm Amy Rose. Welcome to the new studio. We will learn about chemistry of fireworks. This looks similar via comparing with colors of fire. Let's check out the fireworks. As before, I said about the application recently, the Festival of Lights can be celebrated all over the world. In United States, people can celebrate 4th of July using fireworks. We will discuss the color type and its applications, and also the working principle of a fireworks. First, let's have a look at the red firework, depending on its emission spectrum. They are usually made of strontium. Its uses are ferrite magnets and refining zinc, and for the CRT screens, its atomic number of strontium is 38. Secondly, the orange firework, depending on the emission spectrum, is made of calcium. Its atomic number is 20. Its uses are typically limestone, reducing agent calcium hydride, and for bones in the human body. Thirdly, the yellow firework emission is made of sodium. Its atomic number is 11. Its uses are of table salt such as sodium chloride, and water softener made of sodium carbonate. Fourth color, the green firework emission is made of barium. Its atomic number is 56. They are widely used on X-ray radiographs of the human stomach and intestines in patients who have been given a barium meal. Also used in drilling fluids for oil and gas wells, in paints, and glass making. Fifth color is the blue fireworks, made up of copper, that has atomic number 29. It's widely used in making copper wires for motors generating electricity, water purification made of copper sulfate, and for biological role, to help enzymes transfer energy in cells. Finally, the Silvery-White firework, they are made of magnesium that has atomic number 12. Its uses are sparklers, welding characteristics, and in humans, magnesium is essential to the working of hundreds of enzymes, mainly in the bones. Now, for the working principle, when the lifting charge fires to launch the shell, it lights the shell's fuse. The shell's fuse burns while the shell rises to its correct altitude, and then ignites the bursting charge, so it explodes. Stars which come in all shapes and sizes, but you can imagine a simple star as something like sparkler compound formed into a ball the size of a pea or a dime. The stars are poured into the tube and then surrounded by black powder. When the fuse burns into the shell, it ignites the bursting charge, causing the shell to explode. The explosion ignites the outside of the stars, which begin to burn with bright showers of sparks. Since the explosion throws the stars in all directions, you get the huge sphere of sparkling light that is so familiar at fireworks displays. That is how we discuss the concept of fireworks. Like, comment, and subscribe now.